It wasn't the budget. It wasn't the timeline. It wasn't even the technical hurdles. The reason that multi-million-dollar project failed was miscommunication. When professionals talk, but stakeholders don't listen, or worse, misunderstand, entire strategies collapse. But what if you could flip that? What if every presentation sparked action? Every update built trust? Every conversation moved your project forward? That's what we're diving into today. Communication that doesn't just inform, it influences. Stay to the end, and I'll show you how top professionals turn stakeholder chaos into clarity, alignment, and results, with case studies and real-world tools you can start using today. Communicate with impact, winning strategies for engaging stakeholders. Inspire confidence. Align expectations. Drive decisions. Stakeholder communication is the heartbeat of any project. Whether you're a project manager, business analyst, startup founder, or team leader, you have people who matter. People who can support, delay, or derail your work. And communicating with them? It's not just updates and reports. It's about building trust, managing expectations, and gaining support, even when things go wrong. Stakeholder communication equals strategic messaging plus engagement plus trust management. From kickoff to closeout, your ability to influence your stakeholders is the #1 factor that separates leaders from followers. Let's walk through the 5 proven steps to stakeholder communication success. Step 1. Identify stakeholders. Not all stakeholders are equal. Identify them. Map their influence and interest. Step 2. Establish communication objectives. What matters to them? What do they need to feel heard and respected? Step 3. Select appropriate communication channels. Some stakeholders prefer email. Others need visuals or real-time dashboards. Step 4. Delivering the message effectively. One size does not fit all. Executives want outcomes. Engineers want logic. Clients want clarity. Step 5. Monitor feedback and follow up. Effective communication is continuous. Listen, adapt, repeat. Like any strategy, communication has its pros and cons. Pros: builds trust and alignment, reduces risk of project failure, increases stakeholder buy-in, clarifies expectations, prevents misunderstandings. Cons: time-consuming, requires emotional intelligence, can backfire if handled poorly, risk of over-communication. But here's the truth: poor communication is far more expensive than doing it right. Let's look at how powerful stakeholder communication turned chaos into control. Case Study 1. Construction project misaligned with local government. The team didn't consult city officials early. Permits delayed. Costs surged. After stakeholder mapping and proactive briefings, Phase 2 was approved in weeks. Case Study 2. Tech startups product launch flop. They failed to communicate product limitations with beta users. Trust dropped. But post-failure, a transparency campaign won back loyalty. Case Study 3. Healthcare IT rollout. Doctors resisted new software. Weekly stakeholder sessions turned confusion into collaboration and increased adoption by 45%. Communication isn't an event. It's an ongoing strategy. Here's how to apply it daily. Start with a stakeholder matrix in your kickoff. Build regular touchpoints into your timeline. Use visuals to present complex ideas simply. Track stakeholder sentiment, not just milestones. Keep communication two-way. Feedback is gold. Who benefits from mastering stakeholder communication? Almost everyone. Project managers, to reduce conflict and delays. Consultants, to build credibility and win repeat business. Engineers, to ensure specs match real-world needs. Executives, to lead with clarity and rally support. Entrepreneurs, to pitch investors and build partnerships. How do you measure and improve the accuracy of your communication? Match message to audience type. Track action taken after each message. Analyze sentiment changes pre- and post-meeting. Use feedback loops, ask, refine, repeat. Validate key points in writing. Clarity is the goal. Consistency is the method. Let's recap everything you've gained in this session. Stakeholder communication drives results. Use 5 clear steps to build your strategy. Learn from real-world mistakes and successes. Embed communication into your daily workflow. Track accuracy with feedback and validation. But here's the thing. This video only scratches the surface. In our full online course, you'll unlock: what is communication with stakeholders? Case studies. How to use communication with stakeholders effectively in finance application. How to use communication with project management application. Who uses communication with stakeholders? Pros and cons of stakeholder communication. Ready to upgrade your communication game? Enroll today and get your first template free, plus a bonus mini guide on how to present bad news like a pro.